App testing versus conversion rate optimization tools. Which one is better for Ecommerce teams? Every e-commerce team wants to increase sales, but figuring out what actually works can be tricky. That's where app testing and conversion rate optimization, or CRO, tools come in, yet they serve very different purposes. App testing is a process of comparing two variations of a web page, email, or ad to see which performs better. For example, you might test two checkout button colors or two subject lines to see which generates more clicks. It's precise, measurable, and perfect for testing specific hypotheses. Conversion rate optimization platforms, on the other hand, take a holistic approach. They analyze user behavior, traffic patterns, and funnel performance to identify opportunities for improvement across your entire site. Tools might suggest optimizing checkout flows, personalizing recommendations, or adjusting page layouts to boost conversion systematically. Most teams get this wrong. App testing tells you what works in isolation, while CRO tools help you understand why users behave the way they do and how to improve overall performance. One is tactical, the other is strategic. So, which is better for e-commerce? App testing is essential for validating changes and making data-driven decisions on specific elements. CRO platforms provide the insight and recommendations needed to increase conversions across the customer journey. The winning approach combines both. Use CRO tools to uncover opportunities, then app testing to validate and implement changes. Together, they turn guesswork into measurable growth, helping e-commerce teams drive more sales, improve UX, and keep customers coming back.